Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front brake pads on Toyota Land Cruiser. That's the brake calipers and the brake pads right there. In order to remove the brake pads, we need to remove these metal things. First, to remove this metal clamp right there so that we can push out the metal thing, and the same on the upper side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. This metal thing is holding the brake pads in place, so we need to push them out. If they don't want to come out, you might want to hammer them out a little bit and it will come out. One of them is out, now take out the other one. Next we're going to remove this metal bracket right there, and afterwards we need to push the brake cylinders in so that we have enough space to remove the brake pads. To push the brake cylinders in, I'm going to use a screwdriver and just push on the brake pad so that it can push the brake cylinder right in its position, and this way we'll see the brake pads will get loose and then we can remove them. And that's the two brake pads out. Now we're going to put the new ones in their place. That's the new pads in there. Now we're going to put these metal things in there so that they can hold the brake pads, and then we're done. Now we're going to hammer the second one in. Afterwards we're going to put those metal clamps that are holding them in place, and then now we're done with replacing the brake pads on this side. So you can do the same on the other side, and then don't forget to press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the cylinders get back to normal position. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.